If you're looking for a local listing cleanup service, then you've come to the right place. Having problems ranking locally? The number one problem with local campaigns is inconsistent citations. We will fix it all for you and get you ranking with our Citation Cleanup Service. After reviewing thousands of local SEO campaigns, we've seen it time and time again. The biggest factor that holds you back from getting awesome results in local is having incorrect or inconsistent citations. This can happen for a number of reasons. You move and get a new address. You get a new phone number. You have variations of your name. Aggregators just pick up incorrect information about your business and display the incorrect NAP. This can result in big problems and paralyze rankings. Each citation you have is a vote for you to rank higher. If these votes are going to different NAP combinations, there's no way you can collect the juice you need to rank higher. These need to be fixed, and we are going to do it for you. So what do? Fixing these citations isn't an easy ordeal. Every citation source is different, and as a result, a lot of manual labor is required to contact each site to correct the information. This is why we put together our local citation cleanup service, where you can just push a button and our team of trained experts will complete a full citation audit for your business, locate all the incorrect information, contact each citation source individually, fix all of your citation issues, and deliver detailed, comprehensive reports. We do this all to make sure you have the best opportunity to rank and crush your competitors. We essentially do all the work for you and give you a pretty report at the end. Check out our digital marketing agency promo, which is a limited time only free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. The real price is $149.99. In human terms, this customized report will find all the problems on your website that are stopping you from increasing and maximizing the amount of customers, clients and sales that your business deserves to be getting. So we'll find all of your online business problems and offer you the solutions. After that, it's up to you with what you do with them. All you have to do is fill in your name, email address and website and you'll get your report. We're here to help, so check out our blog or our services or contact us if you have any digital marketing needs or SEO services that you need implementing.